Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RICE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, higher highs and higher lows, and after the very eventful day on Thursday, good to see that the price, sure, the volume dropped off, but at least the price maintained itself, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap up, make great movements, and then the next day, the price just totally, collapses and gives back everything. But that wasn't the case here. Yeah, volume dropped off, but the price was actually able to put in some higher highs and higher lows. And from a trend building perspective, that's what it's all about. So let's get some new levels mapped out here. So one of the newest areas of support is what I would call the ideal level. You're say, Clay, what make this chart look the absolute best now moving forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 1575. Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 1575, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at everything from the bigger picture, that is where the purple line comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. I understand the price is way up there. That line's way down there. But as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher and get more and more relevant, which is helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what has been represented. Again, sure, staying above 1575 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of areas of resistance, they just don't matter. What do I mean by that? What matters most is what the price has been doing and continues to do, and that's right there. Build those higher bases, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So in other words, as long as these stair steps continue to construct themselves in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building those higher bases, and sit back and let the overall trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.